Okay, so today we are going to study about promotion mix. Promotion mix, what is promotion mix and how does it impact our integrated marketing communication? Promotion. Promotion has been defined as the coordination of all the seller initiated efforts to set up channels of information and persuasion in order to sell goods and services or promote an idea. Elements of promotion mix are advertising, direct marketing, interactive or internet marketing, sales promotion, publicity, public relation, or personal selling. So actually these are the parts, the body parts of integrated marketing communication. Advertising. Advertising is defined as any paid form of non-personal communication about an organization, product, service, or an idea by an identified sponsorer. Advertising means that there is generally no opportunity for immediate feedback from the message recipient, except in terms of direct response advertising. Therefore, before the message is sent to advertiser, must consider how the audience will interpret and respond to it. Direct marketing. One of the fastest growing sectors of the US economy is direct marketing, in which organizations communicate directly with target customers to generate response or a transaction. Direct response advertising. Direct response advertising is whereby a product is promoted through an ad that encourages the consumer to purchase directly from the manufacturer. Interactive media. Interactive media allows for a two-way flow of communication whereby users can participate in and modify the form and content of the information they receive in real time. So whatever the ads you see on Instagram, which says that swipe up, and you'll end up either in the message box or or on WhatsApp. So these are interactive media advertising. Sales promotion. Sales promotion, which is generally defined as those marketing activities that provide extra value or incentives to the sales force, the distributors, or the ultimate consumer, and can stimulate immediate sales. So, sales promotion is majorly broken into two categories: consumer oriented and trade oriented activities. For example, you get swipe coupons, you get discounts, you get buy one get one free, you buy shampoo and you get conditioner free, you get 30% extra. These all are consumer related. Trade promotion, you get gold coin offer, you get silver coin offer. These generally offers are seen during Diwali and Dashera. Trade oriented, where the company actually boosts the morale of the distributor, dealer, or the person who is pushing the product into the market, or a retailer. For example, if a retailer achieves a target of selling 10 tons of say XYZ product, he will get a tour package of say Goa. So these kind of promotions are done by the companies for trade related sales promotion activities. Publicity. Publicity refers to non-personal communication regarding an organization, product, service, or idea not directly paid for or run under identified sponsorer. It usually comes in the form of news story, editorial, or announcement about any organization and its products and services. Public relation. Public relation is defined as strategic communication process that builds mutually beneficial relationship between organization and their publics. Public relations generally has a broader objective than publicity, as the purpose is to establish and maintain a positive image of the company among its various publics. For example, company takes over the plantation of 1 million trees in the city, and it is being published in the newspaper media, where the company has not paid for it, but the media has recognized it. Personal selling. Personal selling is form of person to person communication in which a seller attempts to or assist and or persuade prospective buyers to purchase company's product or service or to act on an idea. So generally, whenever we call for, say, water purifier for an aquaguard, he or she comes for the demo. So this is a kind of a personal selling. So here we end up with the promotion mix. See you in the next session.